Question number 1. Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 hours and pipe B can fill it in 15 hours. If both the pipes are open together, how much time to fill the tank? Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 hours. So A equal to 1 by 10 part can be filled in 1 hour. Pipe B can fill it in 15 hours. B equal to 1 by 15 part can be filled in 1 hour. Both the pipes are opened together. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15 equal to 25 by 150. Now 25 one time, 25 6 times cancel, equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6th part can be filled in 1 hour. Therefore 6 hours to fill the tank. Option B. Question number 2. 3 pipes A, B and C can fill a tank in 10, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. All the 3 pipes are open together. In how much time will the tank will be filled? Pipe A equal to 1 by 10th part can be filled in 1 minute. Pipe B equal to 1 by 12th part can be filled in 1 minute. Pipe C equal to 1 by 15 part can be filled in 1 minute. All the 3 pipes are opened together. That is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. 10, 12 and 15 LCM is 60. 10 6 times plus 12 5 times plus 15 4 times equal to 15 by 60 equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 part can be filled in 1 minute. Therefore 4 minutes to fill the tank. Option A. Question number 3. A tap can fill a cistern in 8 hours and another can empty it in 16 hours. If both the taps are opened at the same time, then how much time to fill the tank is? 1 by 8 part can be filled in 1 hour. 1 by 16 part can be emptied in 1 hour. Emptied is minus 1 by 16. If both the taps are opened at the same time, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16 equal to 16 is LCM. 8 2 times minus 16 1 time equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16 part can be filled in 1 hour. Therefore 16 hours to fill the tank. Option C. Question number 4. 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 30 minutes respectively. Both the pipes are open together, but after 4 minutes pipe A is turned off. What is the total time required to fill the tank? Pipe A can fill a tank in 15 minutes. Pipe A equal to 1 by 15 part can be filled in 1 minute. Pipe B equal to 1 by 30 part can be filled in 1 minute. Both the pipes are open together. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 equal to 15 and 30. 30 is LCM. 15 2 times plus 30 1 time equal to 3 by 30. Now after 4 minutes, so 3 by 30 into 4 minutes equal to 3 1 time, 3 10 times equal to 4 by 10. Now remaining part equal to 1 minus 4 by 10. So remaining part equal to 6 by 10. Pipe A is turned off. Remaining part into 30. 6 by 10 into 30 equal to 18 minutes. Therefore total time equal to starting 4 minutes plus 18 minutes equal to 22 minutes. Option C. Question number 5. Pipe A can fill a tank in 16 minutes and pipe B can empty it in 24 minutes. If both the pipes are open together, after how many minutes should pipe B is closed so that the tank filled in 30 minutes? Pipe A equal to 1 by 16 part can be filled in 1 minute and pipe B equal to 1 by 24 part can be emptied in 1 minute. Emptied is minus 1 by 24. Let the pipe B is closed after x minutes. As per question, 30 by 16 minus x by 24 equal to 1. 30 by 16 minus 1 equal to x by 24. 30 minus 16 by 16 equal to x by 24. 14 by 16 equal to x by 24. X is equal to 14 by 16 into 24. 4 times 16 and 4 6 times 24. 2 times 4 and 2 7 times 14. And again 2 1 time, 2 3 times, cancel. Equal to 7 into 3, 21 minutes. Option A. Question number 6. A cistern is normally filled in 8 hours but takes 2 hours longer to fill because of a leak in its bottom. If the cistern is full, the leak will empty it in 1 by 8 part can be filled in 1 hour because of a leak in its bottom. Leak is minus leak is x equal to, it takes 2 hours longer to fill. So 8 hours plus 2 hours, 10 hours. So 1 by 10th part can be filled in 1 hour. As per question, 1 by 8 minus 1 by x equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by x. 10 minus 8 by 80, that is 2 by 80 equal to 1 by x. Now cross multiplication, 2x equal to 80, therefore x is equal to 40. 40 hours is the answer. Option D. Question number 7. One pipe can fill a tank 3 times as fast as another pipe if together the two pipes can fill the tank in 36 minutes. Then the slower alone will be able to fill the tank in. Let the slower pipe alone fill the tank in x minutes. Then the faster pipe will fill it in x by 3 minutes. As per question, 1 by x plus 3 by x equal to 1 by 36. 4 by x equal to 1 by 36. X is equal to 4 into 36. X is equal to 144 minutes. Option C. Question number 8. A water tank is 2/5 full. Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 minutes and pipe B can empty it in 6 minutes. If both the pipes are opened, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank completely? Pipe A equal to 1 by 10th part can be filled in 1 minute and pipe B equal to 1 by 6th part can be emptied in 1 minute. So emptied is minus 1 by 6. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 6 equal to minus 4 by 60. So required time equal to minus 4 by 60 divided by the water tank is 2/5 full equal to minus 4 by 60 into 5 by 2. 2 1 time, 2 2 times 4. 5 1 time, 5 12 times. 2 1 time, 2 6 times, cancel. Equal to minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 part can be emptied in 1 minute, therefore 6 minutes to empty. Minus indicates emptied pipe. So option A. Question number 9. Taps X and Y can fill a tank in 30 and 40 minutes respectively. Tap Z can empty the filled tank in 60 minutes. If all the three taps are kept open for a 1 minute each, how much time will the taps take to fill the tank? X is equal to 1 by 30 part can be filled in 1 minute. Y equal to 1 by 40 part can be filled in 1 minute. Z is equal to 1 by 60 part can be emptied in 1 minute. Emptied is minus 1 by 60. 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40 plus minus 1 by 60. So 120 LCM, 34 times plus 43 times minus 62 times equal to 5 by 120 equal to 1 by 24. 1 by 24 part can be filled in 1 minute. Option C. Question number 10. 12 buckets of a water fill a tank when the capacity of each tank is 13.5 liters. How many buckets will be needed to fill the same tank if the capacity of each bucket is 9 liters? Capacity of tank equal to 12 into 13.5 equal to 162 liters. Capacity of each bucket equal to 9 liters. Therefore, number of buckets needed equal to capacity of tank, that is 162 liters divided by each bucket is 9 liters. 162 divided by 9 equal to 18. So 18 buckets needed. Option D. I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching this video.